Hello friends, welcome to our channel Apprenons le Français, and today's lesson is about an important verb which is faire. Faire is one of the most important verbs after être, avoir and aller in French. This means to do or to make. So today we'll learn the conjugation of this verb and how we make sentences with the verb faire. So now I'm telling you the conjugation. With je, the conjugation is FAIS. That means I do or I make. With tu, the conjugation is same again in the spelling, that is FAIS. So tu fais. Tu fais means you have. The conjugation with il, elle or on, the spelling changes a bit and the conjugation becomes FAIT. So this means he or she or one does or makes. Now in the plural part, the conjugation with first person plural, that is nous, the conjugation is FAISONS, that is nous faisons, that means we do. The conjugation with second person plural, vous, is FAITES. Here you need to pay attention because many children or many people learning French, they write the ending as EZ here. Because usually with vous, in most of the verbs, the ending is EZ. The conjugation ending with vous is EZ. So here you need to pay a bit attention. The conjugation is ending in ES here. So the pronunciation becomes vous faites. And with il, elle plural, the conjugation is FONT. So it is ils font, elles font. I repeat here, it is je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Here the meaning is I do or I make. You do, you make. And then he, she or one does or makes. We do, and then you do in plural, or for somebody who's elder to you, you want to use you for somebody who's elder to you, then also you'll be using vous. So vous faites, and then here il is for they masculine and elle is for they feminine. So ils font and elles font. That means they do. Now we learn few sentences so that we can practice how we make sentences. We'll do some sentences with faire. So you might have come across this sentence if you have learned a bit about seasons. So it is il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Here it makes hot. That means here the sense becomes the weather is hot. This il is for weather. Okay, so the weather is hot. So this is an expression of faire basically. Now if I say il fait un gâteau. Do you know what is a gâteau? Gâteau is a cake. So il fait un gâteau means he makes a cake. Elle fait une promenade. Elle fait une promenade. This means she does a walk, or she goes for a walk. Then we say ils font du shopping. Ils font du shopping, which means they do some shopping. Faire du shopping. This is an expression of faire. Okay, we make few more sentences. Les enfants font la queue. What this means? The children make the queue. So here we learned few sentences about faire. Okay, and I'll ask you to repeat the conjugation of faire so that you get thorough with the conjugation. In the next lesson, we'll be doing few more expressions of faire. Okay, so that is it for today's lesson. Au revoir.